So I read the papers, and what do they say? 1. We have global warming, and when the Antarctic ice flow glaciers have thawed out and the Greenland glaciers have thawed out, we're going to be underwater. Manchester will be at the seaside, so you won't have to go down to Blackpool, you'll be at the seaside already.
My message for the future: look after this planet. You see what might have happened. As you can see, there's kids behind me playing. They might not be here, or everyone could be dead now because we've destroyed this world, and you could now not even be watching this video, so there's a bit of a waste of time you're doing it. But if you are, someone's seen it, look after the planet.
Part of me can't imagine what it will be like in 100 years' time, but working in Wythenshawe, it's beautifully green now, and we need to look after that. We need to look after our ancient woodlands, our ancient monuments, and our children. They are the future, and I think if we teach them well and love them and teach them to respect what they have now, and make sure that we leave a generation to look after this world perhaps better than we, as a perhaps more selfish generation, are looking after it at the moment.
Wythenshawe is reasonably safe, a bit dodgy, a few guns around and a few stabbings here and there, but we live through it and we rise above it. My message to the future is keep happy, keep cool, stay relaxed, don't drink too much, don't take drugs, and be happy. I'm fit and healthy, and I hope you lot are as well. And that's it.